Hi guys and gals, and assalamu alaikum to all the lovely people who are watching me right now. You guys, today's video is going to be my birthday haul video, and I know कि मेरी birthday थी May के अंदर, but I just was not finding time to sit down and actually unbox every single thing. मैंने ये वीडियो एक बार पहले भी शूट करने की कोशिश की है, तो एक दो चीज़ें खुली हुई हैं. Well, this is the बास्केट की जिसके अंदर मैंने सब कुछ रखा हुआ है. इफ़ यू वांट सो गो अहेड, गेट योर टी, चाय, कॉफ़ी, या फिर अगर आपको मेरी तरह फ्रेंच फ्राइज पसंद है सो बना लीजिए एंड कम बैक एंड देन आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द वीडियो. बाय द वे यू गाइज, ये मैंने खुद से बनाई थी अबाउट आई थिंक सो 2.5 years back or so. Without further ado, I'm going to start the video, but before that you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn off that notification bell as well, because I post every single week and you don't want to miss it. Let's go. शुरू करते हैं और देखते हैं ये क्या चीज़ें पड़ी हुई थी. So this is from epil and these are basically your natural soaps. Natural things are really good. इसकी पैकेजिंग जो है बहुत ही कोई इंटरेस्टिंगली बहुत अच्छी है. So इसका पहले कार्डबोर्ड निकला है and these are the 3 soaps. This is so cute. Wow. So this is the verbena and aloe one, the lavender and almond, I believe, sweet coconut. So yes you guys, these are all soaps and I really love the fact कि ये इतने size के अंदर आते हैं, so really I'll be able to use them and finish them out. So this one is my favorite. I'm going to definitely use this first. So next up I got this thing, you guys can see. These are hand creams. So yeah, this is the Heavenly Hands and this one is from Marks and Spencer. I really love the way it's packed. So you're getting 3 over here and just look at the packaging. So this one is the Be Happy. This one is the Pamper one. It's the Sleep one. So yes, these are the 3 hand creams. So I am sorted, to be very honest. I just love hand creams. I am in love with this trio. To be very honest, if you go to Marks and Spencer, check this thing out. It's really nice. My hands are really slippery at the moment. So this is something that I got. This is the Zay Beauty Moth Scott liquid lipstick and it is in the shade Anisa. This is a very pretty peachy shade. So yeah, this is the color. It looks really vibrant in the camera. In person it's vibrant nahi, but it's a very pretty peachy shade. It's actually lighter than what I'm wearing today. This one is also like peach tone hai iski bhi. It's a liquid lipstick by Clazona Beauty. Yeah, that's all. So this one is something that I want to try because Zay Beauty is a Pakistani brand for sure. So this is made in PRC. That means that this is made in China. I just don't enjoy this wand. The wand is really big, so आपको precision नहीं मिलती है. From all the liquid lipsticks जो कि इस packaging में आती हैं, I don't really enjoy. But it's a really fancy tube. It's heavy as well, so that's nice. Another thing that I got finally are these really pretty, I'm not sure, I think इसको socks boots बोलते हैं. These are the boots that I got and I got them from Bourjois and these are in the size, like this is the size 10 in USA. So yes, this is what I got. These are really comfortable. I love the heel on this. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बहुत कम भी नहीं है, just the right size. It is pointed right over here and the fit is really nice. So I'm going to recommend you guys to go ahead and get your hands on these because मैं अभी गई थी Bourjois पे सेल लगी हुई है and these are still there. So ये कलर नहीं है, कलर ख़त्म हो गया, but दूसरे कलर्स में है, so you can check these out. Alright you guys, so we are halfway through, but अभी भी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें रहती हैं. So first of all, I got this thing. Wow, I got this thing, you guys. This is an epilator. It comes in this special edition packaging. I'm not sure आपको अभी मिलेगी या नहीं, but this was for 10,000 rupees and I'm not going to recommend you guys to spend your money on epilator. अगर आपका फर्स्ट एपिलेट है तो इतने पैसे मत ज़ाया करें. इसकी बहुत ह्यूज थी पैकेजिंग, वो मैंने हटा दी थी. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव इनसाइड and this is a case which is good for traveling and all. So you can literally keep your epilator in this. It's really pretty. Let me just open it up to show you guys. This is how it will look. It's really, really pretty. It's pink and gray, so I really love these two colors. And this is the epil 5. So I got the epil 5. This is silk epil 5 and the brand is Braun. ये इसके इधर अभी shaver head लगा हुआ है. So this is really cool. So you can actually lock it right now. So it's not gonna go down. तो आपके इतनी ही length पे बाल कटेंगे. And then अगर आप इसको ऐसे कर देंगे so ज़्यादा it's going to be much more close to your skin. So yes, it comes with this thing. These are two like speeds in it. ये 4 speed है. So yes, and then it comes with a charger. So you have to charge this thing. आपको इसके अंदर बैटरी नहीं डालनी होती है. I personally love the charging one. इसकी चार्जिंग की कॉर्ड बहुत लंबी है, बट आप इसको यूज़ नहीं कर सकते जब ये चार्ज हो रहा हो. So yeah, that's that. This is a massager and it helps in giving you very comfortable epilation process. The only thing is कि मेरी skin ज़्यादा शायद oily है या क्या है. So twice मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि मेरी skin इसके अंदर आ गई थी. So it was painful but not too much. It looked really bad. Bruised लग रहा था बिल्कुल. So I'm not sure it's with my thing or what. But yes, this is something that I love a lot. And then this is something that you can use for trimming. And this is the epilator. So I'm going to show you guys. Yes, you guys, these are the epilation heads. And you can see the tweezers over here. Super cool. Super awesome. And this is the protective thing जो कि आप इसके ऊपर अटैच कर देते हो तो आपके chances कम हो जाते हैं अपने आप को harm करने के या anything of that sort. So yeah, that's that you guys. The only thing I'm going to say is that कि epilation अगर आप सही तरह से नहीं करेंगे तो आपको ingrown hair होंगे. And secondly आपके बाल जो हैं वो सही तरह से grow नहीं हो पाएंगे. So आपको बहुत मोटे मोटे पस वाले दाने भी हो सकते हैं. सो आप देखें पहले, टेस्ट इट आउट, सी डज इट सूट योर स्किन एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड देन गो फॉर इट. दिस इज समथिंग दैट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. सो आई नो इसके अंदर क्या है. दिस इज़ अ गिफ्ट फ्रॉम वन ऑफ माई सिस्टर्स एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन इट अप. आई लव द पाउच, तो ये मैं यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. There is a lot of stuff inside and this is in no way or shape bragging and whatever. It's just stuff that I'm sharing with you guys because I genuinely feel कि we have that bond कि मैं आकर इस तरह से share कर सकती हूँ अपनी चीज़ें and you people are not gonna go like कि oh my god she has this and that what not. So yeah, I hope you guys are my friends. So yes, alright you guys, so पहले स्किन केयर से शुरू करते हैं because I love skin care. Or should I do makeup? I'm not sure. अच्छा चलो जो हाथ में आता है मैं उससे शुरू कर रही हूँ. Okay, so first of all you guys, I have this thing. ये अगर आपको नहीं पता क्या है, so it's really good for your manicure and your pedicure. I love to use this thing for my nails. इसको brush करने के लिए and all of that. So yeah, this is in pink color and ये बहुत अच्छी quality का है. Usually इस तरह से राउंड नहीं होते but because it's round so ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी grip देगा. Okay, so moving on you guys, I have this thing. This is a mask जो कि Sephora का है and this is the rose face mask. So मैंने अभी तक इसको खोला नहीं है and basically I do not know how to open it up but it's in pink color. This is for your Luna Play. This cannot be recharged जो कि मुझे पता है but let's just open. Wow, I'm opening this thing with you guys. मैंने कभी भी पहले नहीं खोला. Wow, this is so soft. Oh my god. So ये इसका मैनुअल है पूरा का पूरा and इसके साथ मुझे ये क्या मिला है. I will ask my sister. So yeah, मैं इसको पढ़ लूँगी. I'll do both actually. But this is so soft, you guys. This is really soft. So I know Miniso का भी इसी तरह से कोई है, but वो बड़े में है. But I haven't been to Miniso. मैं सिर्फ अपनी लाइफ में I think so मुश्किल से शायद 3 बार गई हूँ. I think so you guys know कि मुझे स्किन केयर की चीज़ें कितनी ज़्यादा पसंद हैं. So yes, I'm really really happy. I have this hand cream and ये जो hand cream है ये है La Maison de Centaurs. Oh wow, the scent of this is so expensive. This is a scent that I love actually. This smells like some perfume that I love. This smells like yellow diamond, I guess so. So I can use it with that perfume because I like to layer my perfumes with my hand creams, same fragrance, yeah. So this one is again from Marks and Spencer. We have this thing, this is from Vichy, and Vichy I believe यही इसकी pronunciation होगी, and ये 3-in-1 है, 1-step cleanser. This is cleansing milk, toner, eye makeup remover. I need this thing in my life, so I'm going to test this thing out. अगर अच्छी हुई so I'll invest in it. So this is how it looks, and yep. Next up I have this thing. This is a lip scrub, and oh, wow, do I need a lip scrub in my life? Of course, because these days I'm making videos on lipsticks, and you need a lip scrub afterwards. So this is from Scopo Scrub. Make your selfie pout even better. Oh wow. It's a sugar scrub, and I'm going to just, this smells like Barbie doll hair. That's what I feel. It is a sugar scrub, so I'm going to just, yeah, it's, I did that. So it's like an oil mixed in with sugar. That's what I'm getting. I tasted it. Yeah. It's sugar. It's sugar. Yeah, it's sugar. मगर इतनी मीठी नहीं थी जितनी मीठी होती है हमारी. Oh well, मैं थक गई हूँ. Okay, so you guys. So first of all, I have my ज़िंदगी की पहली लाल lipstick. Wow, that was not good. So this is my first ever red lipstick, and this one is from Sephora. I love this brand. This is in the shade, what shade are you? This is in the shade 01. I don't wear this color. I just cannot handle this color on myself. So yeah, यहाँ पर करते हैं इसको swatch. Okay, ये शायद मैं पहन सकूँ because it's a lot pink. Okay, so next up I have 2 more liquid lipsticks. ये देखते हैं कौन सी हैं. So this one is from Anastasia or Anastasia, Beverly Hills, Anastasia. So I think it is Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade, my friends, Bittersweet. So the next one is from Too Faced, and it is their melted matte liquid lipstick, and this one is in the color Sugar Cookie. This smells so nice. I love the fragrance, and इसका applicator भी मुझे अच्छा लगा ज़्यादा. So I really love the applicator of this one as well. This is the Anastasia one, and this one is the Too Faced one. So I'm going to test it out, and अगर ये अच्छी होंगी, so you're going to see in my coming videos. Okay, so I have 2 gifts right in front of me, और ये 2 gifts मैंने अपने आप को दिए थे. I love to write myself. मुझे लिखना बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. I write a lot. I do not post a lot of stuff on my Instagram now, but पहले मैं Instagram पे सिर्फ अपनी writings को post किया करती थी. And मैंने इनकी एक सुनी थी, आज अक्खा वारिश शानू. That is so haunting, like oof, it just is beautiful. So this is the book, and this one is from Parveen Shakir. यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है Parveen Shakir, and so इसके ऊपर इन्हीं की शक्ल बनाई हुई है. Isn't she like, oh, her face is very poetic and very much like, there are people के जिनके face को आपको देखकर लगता है कि they have been through life and all of that. This is what I feel about, you know, her face. This one is Intikhab-e-Kalam and Urdu Versa. I am so happy, you guys. First of all, इसमें तो शायद नहीं होगा. मुझे उर्दू writing बहुत पसंद है, and just the way it is. काफ़ी लोगों के लिए कुछ भी नहीं होगा, but I just like, this is everything to me. This is my first ever Parveen Shakir book, and ये बहुत close है मेरे दिल के और बहुत करीब है. Or yeah, so this is a palette. This is by Pure Be Yourself eyeshadow palette. I have used this palette, and this is a beautiful palette. So if you find it anywhere, अगर ये available हो, so get your hands on this thing because ये cruelty free भी है. And yeah, just look at the packaging, you guys. This is how it looks. These are all the colors. एंड मैंने इसमें से अभी तक 4 शेड्स यूज़ किए. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइस. आई हैव यूज्ड ऑल दीज 4 शेड्स एंड ये वाला जिसके बीच में शेड है ये मैंने यूज़ किया है. आई एम गोइंग टू use this thing in some Instagram video, तो आप तब देख लीजिएगा इसको. अगर मुझे follow नहीं करे so go ahead and follow me over there. What are you doing? So yes you guys, so yeah, these are all the shades. They are really pretty, really nice. So these are the swatches. I love this palette. Thank you so much. मुझे cruelty free products बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. I always try to get them myself as well. So yes. Now last thing is this thing you guys. I actually shared this thing in my vlog. So yes, this is the perfume you guys, and the best thing is ये perfume बहुत महंगा नहीं है. I love Rasasi to be very honest. तो ये मेरी पहली purchase है and ये authentic है because it has this golden thing over here. And इसका आपको body spray भी मिलता है. तो पहले मैंने body spray purchase किया था and then फिर I went ahead and got this thing. This was almost 4,000 rupees, I'll be honest. But that's nothing at all and this is really long lasting. Wow. Okay, so अंदर से pink है. Yes, I love this thing a lot. I can already smell it. Wow. And अगर आपका budget कम हो so you can give this thing to your loved ones. और ये बहुत ही अच्छी चीज़ है. You can see ये इस तरह से खुलता है. So it comes with this. इसके और भी perfumes के बारे में इसमें लिखा हुआ है. And then we have this perfume. Oh my god, look at this bottle. This is the bottle. It's frosted over here and यहाँ पर you know it's clear. इसका कैप बहुत अच्छा है. I haven't smelled anything like this. This is not citrusy at all. Citrusy बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. अगर आपको अपने ऑफिस वेयर के लिए कोई परफ्यूम चाहिए है या बॉडी स्प्रे चाहिए फॉर दैट मैटर, सो यू कैन फाइंड द बॉडी स्प्रे दैट्स आई थिंक सो फॉर 350 रुपीज़ और वॉट. दिस लास्ट द इंटायर डे. आई एम नॉट जोकिंग. ऑनेस्टली मैं यही यूज़ करती हूँ. सो दैट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज दिस इज़ लव. That was my haul video, like sharing with you guys what I got on my birthday. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Take care. God bless you all and stay happy, fabulous, no matter what. Rab rakha guys and gals. Bye.